Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To Andrew and I, holidays are all about family and spending quality time with the ones that we love. And financial confidence has really allowed us this year especially to take the time out of our busy schedules to really spend intentional time with our families. And also, this video is sponsored by SunTrust. SunTrust is doing the coolest thing. They are doing a 31-day best life-giving challenge, which means that every day for the month of December, they have a prompt that encourages us to live our best life by helping other people live their best life. So day 25's prompt is giving warmth. With 2 babies at home, life can be super overwhelming in the best way possible. But today I want to slow down, take a breath, and savor every memory with the ones I love. So today we're going to be doing something really fun. We are going to head on over to my parents' house to do our annual gingerbread house decorating competition. We have been doing this, I believe we started it the year Andrew and I first were together, and we have done it every year since then. It's so much fun. We get really into it, really competitive, and Emmy is now old enough to really have fun with it too. So that's what's happening today. Oakley is asleep right now, but as soon as he wakes up, we're gonna head on over there and get to decorating. This year is a little bit different for us. We have had a lot of moves. Andrew's side of the family has moved, we have moved, but the holidays are the time that we make a priority for all of us to come together. We have been very intentional about saving and prioritizing our finances this year, and that financial confidence has allowed us to give back, and we are gifting Andrew's parents a plane ticket to come and spend the holidays with us. We are so excited that Andrew's parents are going to get to come and spend the holidays with us. But in the meantime, until they get here, we are doing our annual gingerbread house decorating competition. And this is a special time where we all come together, we put our phones away, and we just make memories that we're gonna remember for the rest of our lives. So I challenge you guys to take intentional time to put away your phones and be present with the ones you love. I encourage you guys to live your hashtag best life through financial confidence by getting the tools and the resources from SunTrust website and on the hashtag best life giving challenge webpage. And I also encourage you guys to follow SunTrust Instagram page for more information as well. All right guys, so I hear Oakley waking up. Emerson's actually already over at my parents' house. So we're gonna pack up our car, head on over there, and let's get to our annual gingerbread house decorating competition. I'm gonna win. Just saying. All right guys, we are going to get started decorating our gingerbread houses. We have all the candy set up. Emerson has already eaten her weight in candy. So we're gonna get started. May the best gingerbread house win. Okay, so here are your gingerbread bases for the house. And then there's all your candy. All right, you ready, Emmy? Yeah. All right, let's go. Say, my gingerbread house was the best.
My gingerbread is the house.
Hey, can you come show us your gingerbread house? Show me which one's yours. This one's yours? Mm-hmm. Wow, look at that. You did a great job. Whose is this one right here? Dinden's. And then whose is this one right here? Who did it? Mommy did this one? Do you like mine? Here are the finished gingerbread houses. So what I was thinking is that you guys can vote and tell us which ones you think are the very best. So let me give you some close-ups really quick. Here is Andrew's. Andrew had to decorate his after everybody else's because he had to hold Oakley. But this is Andrew's. This is what his looks like. It's very Charleston, of course, because that's where Andrew grew up. And then this is my dad's. I think he just quit trying. And then this is my mom's. My mom, of course, did a great job because she's Little Miss Artistic. She spent a long time on hers. A little tree fell over, but that's my mom's. This is Emmy's with the help of my grandma. You probably can't tell that this was Emmy's because it's just so good, but that's what Emmy's looks like. And then this one is mine. I don't have any comments really, but that's mine. So which one of all of the gingerbread houses do you think is the very best? You guys vote and leave it down in the comments. All right guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. This was such a fun time that we got to spend with family, doing our traditional annual gingerbread house decorating. It was so much fun, and it was quality time and memories that we are gonna have forever. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season and that it is just filled with family and friends and good times. Don't forget to check out SunTrust. I will have a link in the description box below. You guys should definitely check out that challenge. It's been really fun for me just to live my best life by helping other people live theirs. So go check out that challenge, and you also can just carry that on into the rest of the new year. It has definitely been such a cool thing having financial confidence to be able to give to other people and also have time freedom because we have financial confidence to spend with family around this time of year. So I love you guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. You can follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.